Okay, I just got myself a new Ryobi 1 plus 18V compact glue gun. Okay, this is just a tool only. It comes with 3 mini glue sticks. Okay, it comes in a blister pack form, and at the back it shows it's a compact glue gun P306 precision tip, ideal for hobby, crafts, upholstery and general repair projects. Cordless compact design for detailed applications and user convenience. Built-in drip tray for clean working environment. On-off LED indicator light shows the tool is heating up. Okay, the battery is a 18V and tool weight is 0.71 pounds. Now this is actually made in China. So for those who are interested to actually buy this and send it back to your own country, you'll do the measurement of the whole pack together with the weight. Okay, we'll place this on this. I just use a kitchen scale, digital one. Just place it on top. Hopefully it can stand what you want. I'll just put it over like this. So now that you can see, let me read it off. It's 632 grams. Thereabout. Okay, 632 grams. And the dimension is about 220 or close to 222 mm. The width is 290 mm. The whole depth, I think you can safely say, is about 9 mm. Okay, go this way. As you can see, it's about 9. So that's the dimension. So now let's open up this box, blister pack. So you have the gun. Okay, this is the backing. There's nothing inside, nothing, no manual. Okay, the manual is here. Comes with 3 glue sticks, operator's manual, compact glue gun. Comes with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what you do is just put it here. It will rest. You can see from here, it's like that. And what you can do is take the battery, place it inside. Yeah, battery fits. Okay, and you have just put it here, slot it in. So how do you switch it on? Yeah, it's a switch. So the lights light up. Let me show you again. Off. These 2 lights will be on. There you go. So you can just charge it. Place the glue stick inside here. You're ready to use.